In this tutorial, I'll show you how to password protect folder in Google Drive. By the end, your Google Drive folder will be locked down so only the specific people you choose can open it, and public link access will be turned off. First, we'll restrict access. This is the best way to secure a folder in Google Drive so it's private to selected people only. On your Google Drive, locate the folder you want to protect. Right-click the folder to open the menu, then click Share. The sharing window opens on top of your screen so you can control who can see or edit the contents. Now set the folder to restricted. In the sharing window, look for the section that controls general access. Change it to restricted. Restricted means the folder won't be available to anyone unless you explicitly add them. This prevents accidental access from people who might get a link. Next, only add specific people. In the area labeled Share with people and groups, click into the field and type the email addresses of the people who need access. As you type, you can select the matching account from the suggestions. If you need to add more than one person, keep typing additional addresses. This step ensures that only these invited accounts can open the folder. Set permission to viewer or editor for each person you add. Use the drop-down next to their name to choose what they can do. Pick viewer if they only need to open or download files. Choose editor if they need to add, change, or delete files inside the folder. Take a moment to confirm the right level for each person. You can adjust these permissions later if needed. So don't worry if you need to refine them after you see how the folder is used. Now we'll remove public access to make sure the folder can't be opened by anyone who finds or shares a link. In the same sharing window, make sure anyone with a link is off. If you see anyone with a link selected, switch it back to restricted so the link no longer grants access. This is important because even if you've added people by email, leaving anyone with the link turned on would allow anyone with that link to view or edit, depending on the setting. Turning it off closes that door and keeps the folder private. With anyone with the link turned off and the folder set to restricted, only the invited emails you added can open it. If someone who isn't on the list tries to use a link, they'll be blocked and asked to request access. This confirms the protection is in place and prevents unapproved viewing or editing. To recap what you should see on screen, the folder's general access is set to restricted. The only people listed are the ones you added by email, and each person has the correct role. Viewer if they just need to see files, or editor if they need to make changes. If anything doesn't look right, you can return to the same share window, adjust the permissions, or remove people you no longer want to have access. Changes take effect immediately, so there's no delay once you make an update. At this point, your Google Drive folder is effectively password protected by access control. It's restricted to specific users you've invited, and public link access is disabled. Your setup is now complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, you subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.